everyone, welcome back to the Healthy Cravings. This is Marge and today we are making dough para sa snack na iluluto natin. Gagamit tayo ng 1 kilogram glutinous rice flour and we bought this from the public market and ito ay bagong giling. Nagtira tayo ng kunting flour na hindi natin babasahin, to flour the surfaces when necessary. Pour water little by little, then keep mixing. Unti-unting idagdag ang tubig upang makontrol at makuha ang eksakto at tamang consistency ng masa para sa lulutuin natin snack. Pinili nating gumamit ng kagigiling na malagkit dito sa lulutuin nating bilo-bilo dahil chewy yung texture niya as compared sa factory produce na rice flour. Napakalambot. And originally, we prefer the newly ground one. Not to mention also yung mga nare-retain na nutrients ng bagong giling. At kung hindi man available yung newly ground rice flour or glutinous flour sa inyong mga areas, ay pwede na rin yung factory produce. Which is actually convenient kasi it is available everywhere. Nakagamit ako ng more or less 3 cups of 16 ounce water para sa paghahalo ng nearly 1 kilogram glutinous rice. Sa una para siyang powdery or clumpy. But as the flour fully hydrates with water, nagiging smoother and thicker. After kneading, let the dough rest, covered with plastic wrap for about 30 minutes. We don't need longer time kasi wala namang yeast itong minix natin. The 30 minutes rest time ay importante to fully hydrate the flour and para madaling bilugin and hindi magbiyak-biyak pag hinahalo or pag niluluto na ito. And there, let's get started making the small balls. Excited na ba kayo sa ating iluluto? Abangan ang susunod na episode. I'm going to share the perfect ingredient measurements of the traditional snack na ating iluluto dito sa The Healthy Cravings. Thank you everyone, and thanks to all kinds of support you are giving to increase our tiny channel. Your subscription, joining the cause of our videos, your shares, likes, comments, and all. God bless.